Over 73% of cyclists are riding with outdated gear that's literally making every trip harder than it needs to be. I just spent 3 months testing the most viral bike gadgets on Amazon, and these 15 game changers are about to revolutionize how you ride forever. From converting your regular bike into an electric powerhouse in minutes, to security systems that actually prevent theft, to comfort upgrades that eliminate back pain on long rides. Whether you're a casual weekend rider or a daily commuter, these products solve real problems you face every single day. Stick around because number 7 is a total game changer that costs less than $30. LIVALL PikaBoost to e-bike conversion kit. First up is the LIVALL PikaBoost 2. And this thing is absolutely mind-blowing. It transforms any regular bike into a powerful electric bike in under 5 minutes. With zero technical skills required, you get 150 watts of continuous power that peaks at 500 watts for those brutal uphill climbs. The removable battery gives you flexibility between 158 or 120 watt-hours, depending on your range needs. Over 12,000 verified buyers confirm this eliminates the need to spend thousands on a new e-bike. Limited stock warning, these sell out fast every spring season. monTEK Swivel Hangers. Number 2 solves the biggest problem for apartment and garage owners. The monTEK Swivel Hangers use a genius 360-degree rotating design that lets you store bikes vertically while keeping them instantly accessible. Installation takes less than 10 minutes with basic tools, and each hook supports up to 66 pounds safely. What makes these special is the swivel feature. Most wall mounts force you into awkward angles to get your bike down. Over 8,500 customers report reclaiming 3 times more floor space in their garages. At this price point, it's the most affordable space-saving solution available right now. Seatpost Anti-Theft Reflector. Here's something most cyclists never think about until it's too late. Bike seat theft is absolutely rampant in cities, and replacing a quality saddle costs way more than you'd expect. This Seatpost Anti-Theft Reflector combines a locking mechanism with a built-in safety reflector, giving you the benefits in one compact device. The anti-theft system prevents quick-release theft that happens in seconds while you're grabbing coffee. Installation is permanent until you use the included key. Over 15,000 urban cyclists swear by this as essential city riding protection. Current promotion ends this month. SHOKZ OpenRun Pro. Product number 4 is a total game changer for safety-conscious riders. The SHOKZ OpenRun Pro uses bone conduction technology so you can listen to music or take calls while staying completely aware of traffic around you. Traditional earbuds are dangerous because they block ambient sound. These sit outside your ears entirely. You get 10 hours of battery life, IP55 water resistance for rain rides, and premium audio quality that rivals regular headphones. Professional cyclists and runners rated these the number 1 choice for outdoor training. Over 45,000 5-star reviews confirm these are worth every penny for anyone who values safety and performance. Kinekt Suspension Seatpost XR. If you experience back pain or discomfort on longer rides, the Kinekt Suspension Seatpost XR will literally change your life. This engineering masterpiece uses a spring suspension system that absorbs road vibrations and bumps before they reach your spine. The adjustable stiffness lets you customize comfort based on your weight and riding style. Long-distance cyclists report riding 40% longer without fatigue or pain after switching to this system. Medical professionals actually recommend this for riders with chronic back issues. The lightweight aluminum construction adds minimal weight while delivering maximum comfort. Limited quantities available at current pricing due to manufacturing constraints. Stroller cup holders. Now this might seem off topic, but hear me out. The universal stroller cup holders are perfect for cyclists who also use bike trailers or cargo bikes for family rides. The universal mounting system attaches to virtually any handlebar or frame tube in seconds without tools. The non-slip grip keeps drinks secure even on bumpy terrain. Parents with bike trailers rated this as an absolute essential for keeping kids hydrated on longer family rides. The affordable price point makes it a no-brainer addition. Over 22,000 reviewers confirm the quality exceeds expectations for something this inexpensive. FOBO tire pressure monitoring system. Here's that game changer I mentioned earlier. The FOBO tire pressure monitoring system uses Bluetooth sensors that constantly monitor your tire pressure in real time and alert your phone before problems occur. Underinflated tires cause 80% of flats and reduce efficiency dramatically. This system prevents blowouts, extends tire life, and actually improves your speed and battery life on e-bikes. Installation takes minutes, just screw the sensors onto your valve stems. The app tracks pressure history and sends alerts when levels drop. Professional bike shops charge $50 just to check pressure regularly. This automates everything for under $30. Fitense 10,000 mAh bike battery pack. Dead phone on a long ride is more than inconvenient. It's dangerous when you need navigation or emergency calls. The Fitense 10,000 mAh bike battery pack mounts directly to your frame and delivers fast charging power whenever you need it. The secure mounting system keeps it stable even on rough terrain, and the weatherproof design handles rain without issues. You get enough capacity to fully charge most phones for times. Long-distance touring cyclists call this an absolute essential. That's prevented countless emergencies. The integrated LED light adds bonus safety visibility. Current inventory moving fast as summer riding season approaches. Pro Bike Tool CO Inflator. Flat tires are inevitable, but struggling with hand pumps for 10 minutes is completely unnecessary. The Pro Bike Tool CO Inflator gets your tire from flat to fully inflated in under 10 seconds using compressed CO cartridges. The compact design fits in any saddle bag or pocket without adding noticeable weight. The precision valve prevents gas waste and works with both Presta and Schrader valves. Over 18,000 cyclists confirm this saved rides that would have otherwise been ruined by flats. At this price, having one in your emergency kit is absolutely essential. Compatible cartridges available separately. Lamical motorcycle phone mount. For motorcycle and e-bike riders who rely on phone navigation, the Lamical motorcycle phone mount is built different. The 360-degree adjustable ball joint lets you position your phone at any angle for perfect visibility. The four-corner grip system with rubberized clamps holds phones securely even at highway speeds or on rough trails. The vibration dampening design protects your phone camera from damage that cheaper mounts cause. Over 31,000 riders trust this mount because it simply never fails. The tool-free installation works on any handlebar diameter. Premium build quality at a mid-range price point. Portable electric inflator Gen 2. Say goodbye to manual pumping forever. The portable electric inflator Gen 2 delivers professional bike shop inflation power in a device small enough to fit in your backpack. The digital display lets you set exact PSI and it automatically stops when reached, preventing overinflation. The rechargeable battery handles multiple tire inflations per charge, and it works for bikes, motorcycles, cars, even sports equipment. The built-in LED light helps with roadside emergencies at night. Cyclists who bought this report never going back to manual pumps after experiencing the convenience. Flash sale pricing ends soon. CD Lock Viking Bike Chain Lock. Bike theft ruins lives and costs cyclists thousands annually. The CD Lock Viking Bike Chain Lock uses hardened steel links that resist bolt cutters and angle grinders that defeat cheaper locks instantly. The weather-resistant coating prevents rust and protects your bike's paint. The 35-inch length lets you secure your frame and both wheels to fixed objects easily. Insurance companies actually approve this lock for theft coverage. Most cheaper locks void your policy. Over 9,000 verified purchases with 0 reported successful theft attempts when properly used. Your bike is worth protecting with premium security. Lasovi electric horn. Standard bike bells are cute, but absolutely useless in real traffic. The Lasovi electric horn delivers 120 decibels of attention-grabbing sound that cars actually hear and respect. The waterproof design handles any weather condition, and the rechargeable battery lasts months between charges. Urban cyclists report feeling significantly safer in traffic after upgrading from traditional bells. The easy thumb button placement lets you sound warnings without taking hands off handlebars. Vehicle drivers confirm they hear this horn clearly even with windows up and music playing. Your safety is worth more than this minimal investment. Super Ink Motorcycle Anti-Theft Alarm. Motorcycle and e-bike theft is a massive problem that costs owners thousands in losses and insurance hassles. The Super Ink Anti-Theft Alarm uses vibration sensors that trigger a 113 decibel alarm the instant someone touches your bike. The remote control lets you arm and disarm from 100 feet away. The waterproof construction means reliable protection in any weather. The sensitivity adjustment prevents false alarms from wind, while catching actual theft attempts instantly. Over 7,500 motorcycle owners report attempted theft stop because thieves flee when the alarm activates. This level of protection for under $50 is incredible value. Active Life Bike Wheel Lights. Last but definitely not least, the Active Life Bike Wheel Lights turn your bike into a moving light show. while massively improving nighttime visibility and safety. These LED lights attach to your spokes in seconds and create stunning patterns when wheels spin. Drivers see you from over 500 feet away compared to standard reflectors that barely work. The waterproof design survives rain and the batteries last 70+ hours before needing replacement. Night riders report 0 close calls after installing these, compared to frequent scary moments before. Your life is worth protecting, and these make safety fun and stylish simultaneously. If this video helped you discover your next bike upgrade, smash that subscribe button so you never miss future gear reviews. Drop a comment telling me which product you're buying first. See you in the next one.